Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anki Codeverse. Today we are continuing with the tab bar with Swift UI. Let's keep the momentum going and forward together. Don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content and show your support. First, let's create a basic Swift UI view structure. We will call it tab bar view to define the layout and behavior of our tab bar. Then we will declare at the state private var section is equal to 0. We are declaring a property named section using both at the state and private. State means that section is mutable and can trigger view update when its value changed, and private can only be accessed within the scope of view. In other words, state property wrapped is used to declare a property that is mutable and whose change should trigger the Swift UI view to update. When the state of a address state property changes, Swift UI automatically recomputed the body of the view that uses it. This allows you to create a dynamic user interface where change to a state and reflected in the UI. It's commonly used for properties that are specific to a particular view and need to be mutable. Selection is used as a selection parameter, meaning that the currently selection tab index is stored in the selection variable, which is declared as at the rate state private var section is equal to 0. Each tab is defined using the dot tab bar item modifier. In this case, the first tab represents the home view. It displays an icon of house and a label of home using the dot tab item modifier. Additionally, the dot tag 0 modifier assign the tag of 0 in this tab indicate that is correspondence to the index of 0, that is a tab view, and this tag helps SwiftUI manage the selection state of the tab view. We will simply copy the home tab with the house icon and paste as a order tab with the cart icon. Wishlist tab with the heart icon, profile tab with the profile icon. Each tab consists of an icon and a label. The dot tab item modifier sets the appearance of each tab, and the dot tag modifier assigns a unique identifier of each tab. We are setting the background color of the UI tab bar using the appearance method. Now we will simply call the tab bar view and run the application and check out the how it is look. I hope you like and understand it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.